Hey Valerie, my name is Lee Turbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hand saying, I like you, Lee. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of our time. First thing I want to go over is content. You guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google, and you guys have about 150, roughly 150 to 200 words on your homepage, which isn't going to be helping you as far as the ranking process to fit in the keywords that you need on your homepage to rank for, which we'll get into later. But back to the content. It all has to be unique content. It can't be copied from anywhere. Google will flag your site for plagiarism. So you got to think Google is a crawling system. All it can do is read. So if you don't have enough content to really explain what your site's about, then it's not going to know what you're about and will rank you according to. So I looked at your competition site to see what kind of competition he has, and that is Roto-Rooter, his Corona CA page. And again, he's a powerful franchise site, but the only site or page that's ranking in your area is this back page to his website, which is very easy to beat. But he doesn't have much content either. Like I said, 100, 150 words maybe on his homepage. So if we were to go out and get that 1,500 words, you'd be beating him in that aspect. So now I want to go back to Google. I did a normal search for plumber Corona CA, and the first thing we see is ads that people are paying Google to be up on. The studies show that the ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if they're not done right. So if you're ranking in this Google Map Pack section and the organic section, you don't need to be paying for ads. This is for people who have more money than brains and just want to dump money into ads and waste their money basically. So the second section I want to go over is called the GMB. And this is called the Google Map Packs or the maps. And on these results, we can see the business name, address, phone number, aka NAPS. So as you can see, this top guy here, One Stop Plumber, he's in first place. So a citation is what dictates your ranking in that Google Map Pack section. Now a citation, like I said, was your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. And he has 58 citations. That's what's putting him in first place right now. So we went and we put your business in the first class plumbing and Rooter, and you have 16 citations. That's why you're not in that top 3, because he has 58 and you have 16. But that's okay because he's not beating you by much. Best part about it is we can go into his citations, pick all his strong ones. Now this DA shows how strong that actual citation source is. 100 being the best, 0 being the worst. So we want to go in and get all these red ones, which are submittable, and we could submit your business for him, and we know that it worked for him, it'll work for you. So we'll go in and get all these red ones for your business, and plus that's getting your name, address, and phone number in directories so people can find you when they're looking for your services. So 56, or yeah, 50, let me see, 58 citations isn't a lot. I like to add 100, 200, because that's just more places where your name, address, and phone number is too for people to find you. But down to this third section, this is the organic section. Now, what ranks you in this section is called a backlink, and backlink is any other website that refers back to your website. Now, they're not created equal. You want websites that are more relevant to your niche. So you're a plumbing and rooter, you'd want other plumbing and rooter or plumbing and maybe HVAC sites to give you backlinks rather than Pizza Hut giving you a backlink. Now, I'm sure you've seen a backlink before. It's little hyperlink on somebody's website where you click it and it takes you to another website. Well, that's what a backlink is, and Google loves that. It's basically one website voting and vouching for that other website, saying, yes, I'll send my traffic to him because I know this website's reliable. So you want as many of those as possible, but if you look at this organic section, we see the Roto-Rooter is in first place down here. And I use a tool called Ahrefs, and I put your guys' First Class Plumbing and Rooter in there, and then I put his Roto-Rooter Corona page in there. And then you could see overall statistics of your whole website with your backlinks, how many referring domains are giving you backlinks, what keywords you rank for, and how much traffic you're currently getting. Now this UR and DR, this is the rating of your overall page, and this is the rating of your backlink profile. So as you can see, you have a 0 because you don't really have many backlinks and barely any referring domains giving you backlinks. So we want to definitely start building and working on the backlinks, and how to do that is we go to the top guy who we know is in first place, and as you can see, he has a 20 and a 73. This is his backlink profile, and this is his overall page profile. Now this 73 is going off of its main franchise page, rotorooter.com. That's why that number is so high. And that's not a true number. All it takes is 21 referring domains giving 316 backlinks. So if we were to go out and get 100 referring domains giving, let's say 500 backlinks, you'd be up above him and your numbers would be rising and you guys would start climbing the rankings. So another thing I wanted to touch base was his keywords that he's ranking for. So let's click on his keywords. So these are actual search terms that people are typing into Google each month. This is the volume for each month, and this is the keyword difficulty. That's how hard it is to rank for this keyword. Now 0 being the easiest and 100 being the hardest. So a 1, that means there's not many other websites that have this keyword in it. So if you were to have this into that homepage content of 1,500 words, then you could easily rank for that when someone types plumbers in Corona, CA, that you would rank at the top by adding backlinks to your profile. And as you can see, this is getting 250 searches a month. That's 250 people typing in plumbers in Corona, CA looking for a plumber. So you do the math on how much business that would be just off of 1. And as you can see, there's multiple. Plumber Corona, CA, 70 searches and 4. Plumber Corona, 60 and 4. Plumbers with an S, Corona, CA, 40. Plumbers in Corona, 60 and 1. Plumbing Corona, CA, 30 and 4. Corona Plumbing, 60 and 4. You get the gist of it. There's probably over 600 search volume in just this plumber Corona CA with the different CAs, no CA, in Corona with an S. So there's a lot of search volumes. But if you were to put these throughout your home page on that 1,500 words, 1 per every 100 words, so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing, you would start seeing a lot of changes come once we add the SEO portion, which is your backlink profile and building up strong backlinks. And back to the backlink profile, we can go back to the overview and we see he has all these backlinks, 316 from 21 referring domains. We can actually click on his backlinks and see what backlinks he's getting and target the stronger ones. He's getting 101 traffic from this backlink. Now these have UR and DR too, so we want to go after them strong ones, 90 and 16, 90 and 14. And we can go right in and submit for your business. This is a yellow page backlink, so we go in there and do what it asks, maybe start a profile with your name, address, and phone number, or whatever it wants you to do, and then boom, you'll get that backlink from this referring domain. So we go through, do that, and plus I have an access to a huge pool of very powerful, high DR, high UR domains that will transfer a lot of power to your website, which will make you climb the rankings a lot faster. So, but anyways, I wanted to show you a quick reference to a website that I built to show you this content that I'm talking about. You see this, all this wording, this content? Now this is where we want to put those keywords that we were looking at throughout. And if you look closely, you can see some highlighted: pressure washing, Somerville SC. That's an actual search term people are typing in. See all this content? Pressure Wash King throughout here. This is pressure washing Somerville SC. That's one. Pressure washing Mount Pleasant. These are actual things people are typing in monthly, and having these on your homepage will allow them to find you. If you don't have them, they can't find you. So once again, your content on your homepage needs to have about 1,500 words so you can fit those keywords we talked about, 1 per every 100 words so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. The second thing we went over was citations. You want to have around 200 to 300 citations so you can beat out the competition by a landslide and plus have your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. And then the third thing was the link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Valerie, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.